Okay, the last step of the installation process of my water softener is to add salt and to program it. First thing I'm going to do is in this specific model, I'm going to mount the cover again, which means I also have to install the timer housing inside of the cover, like this. Again, just refer to your instructions for specific details about your model, like this. I'm going to add salt. I just close it off. The only thing left to do is program the electronic timer. When the unit is in service, you can push the plus or minus, the up or down button. Nothing will happen. There's only something going to happen when you push the scroll button. First thing it asks you to program is the language. Using the up and down button, you can just change it. At this moment, there's about 10 languages in here, so there should definitely be something that you can understand. I'll just leave it to English. Okay, I push the scroll button again. It asks me to set the time of day. Plus minus button, very simple. I push the scroll button again. On this specific model, it's the salt alarm that can be reset, which is not necessary during the installation process. Just push the scroll button again, and it asks me to set the water hardness. Now, the water hardness, there's a couple of ways to find out what the water hardness is at your house. You can just use a hardness test kit, like this one, which is based on little drops that you have to add. There's also test kits with strips, but probably the easiest way is just to call your water supply company. They can perfectly tell you what the water hardness is of the water at your house. And then you just program it using plus or minus. That's it. And then the last step, the last and final step is, before you leave the house, is I'm going to start a manual regeneration. It's going to count down from 10 down to 0 seconds, and then it's going to start a regeneration, and that's it. After the regeneration, that takes approximately 100 minutes, something like that, depending on your model. The unit will automatically return to service, and it will be ready to soften the water. Thanks for watching. Bye.